Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and today we're checking out the NYTOP front recovery points for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacomas. Hang out while I unbox these, share some of their specs, and get them installed on my 2022 TRD OffRoad 4x4. If you haven't heard of NYTOP, it's an acronym that stands for Not Your Typical Original Parts. Their aftermarket parts claim an OEM fit without any modification required to install, which is an added bonus. I received these in about 1 day as they shipped from their warehouse in California. The box was quite large for what they are and quite heavy. Up on deck, the ProTech Mordax to do the cutting. Flipping the box open reveals some hermetically sealed recovery points beneath the protective foam. I've received electronics not packed this well. With everything laid out on the bench, let's go through what you get in the box. Starting with some various NYTOP decals, an installation guide complete with color photos, 3 M12 nuts, 6 M12 washers, 3 M12 bolts, 6 steel powder-coated spacers, and finally 2 of the front recovery points. These recovery points are well designed, made from high-strength steel and powder-coated in a bright red finish. They each have a working load limit of 9,000 pounds. The point portion is made from 5/8" steel and has plenty of room to add what you need for recovery. The stamped NYTOP logo is a nice added touch. The remainder of the brackets are made from 1/4" steel and has a reinforced design that's welded completely around. Each point weighs in at right over 5 pounds, so they are hefty. It's time to get these installed. You'll just need a few tools, including an 18mm wrench, a ratchet, a 17 and 18mm socket, and if you choose to remove the wheel liner, you'll need a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Starting on the passenger side, you'll be removing the 2 17mm bolts holding the OEM point, along with a bolt holding the side bracket in. First, the bracket. You'll be reusing both the bracket and the bolt. Next, the 2 bolts holding the point. These 3 items can be placed aside. If you choose to remove the wheel liner, you'll remove these 2 10mm bolts and a push pin in the wheel well. I decided just to trim a 1/2" section of the wheel well that really had no purpose. Now you'll lift the recovery point into place. It will get bolted upward, but for now, let's look at how the included horizontal bolt will work. The recovery points are non-directional, so they can be used on either side. For the bolt, you'll want the head toward the center of the truck with the washer, and then inside the bracket, you'll have the 3 spacers, followed by a washer and the nut on the outside. On the passenger side, you will be dealing with some plumbing on the internal side. I found out later to put the washer against the frame, and then insert the bolt, as the washer was too wide to fit through the 2 plumbing pipes. Off camera, I was able to place the 3 spacers in and push the bolt the rest of the way through. Now it's a matter of placing the washer and threading on the nut loosely at first. I added the side bracket and the stock 17mm bolt to start aligning everything. With everything loosely fitted, it's time to start tightening. For the passenger side, I used an 18mm wrench on the inside where the plumbing was, as I didn't have a lot of space. For the outside, I used an 18mm ratchet and tightened it as good as I could get it. NYTOP recommends 75 foot-pounds. Lastly, tighten the stock bolt on the bottom once you make sure everything is straight. The passenger side was the tougher of the 2 to install, but I made it happen. On the driver's side, the install was a bit easier as you don't have the plumbing to deal with, but still, it's a tedious install having not much room to work in that area. Overall, these NYTOP recovery points look great on my 3rd Gen Tacoma. It gives me some good solid attachment points whether I'm helping someone else or they're helping me. NYTOP does recommend using a bridle when the recovery is off-road. Well, that's my first look and installation of the NYTOP recovery points for the 3rd Gen Tacoma. But what's your thoughts? Have you installed other recovery points on your Tacoma? Are you just in the market for a product like this? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked the video, there's a button for that. And if you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Lastly, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.